Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to Solar Hive and Vietnam Solar for this opportunity to represent us. Yeah, yeah. To represent us in this forum, and we are really glad to be here as I'm representing SMA. So my name is Tanmay Samant, and I'm a sales manager for SMA, looking after Southeast Asia and South Asia region. So I think I'll first go and give you a brief about who we are. I'm very sure that most of you know SMA as an organization, but I'll little bit give a background, and maybe then we will come to the few key products which we wanted to showcase today, and then we'll cover the service part. So to begin with, this is we are very familiar. Earlier there used to be one resource who used to generate electricity, but now there are multiple generators in form of solar, and each home or C&I customer is like a generator. So now the energy is kind of changing, and it is becoming very much independent and decentralized. So yeah. So this is a short video about SMA. So we believe as SMA we are shaping the future, and we have been doing this for last 40 years. So we are one of the oldest company in the solar inverter manufacturing space. And this is overview of what we have done so far. We started in 1987, and over the period there is a series of different inverters and battery storage inverters and hybrid inverters we have come up with. And obviously we are present in the home, C&I and utility scale solar segment for both on-grid and off-grid as well as hybrid. So this is the overview. I won't deep dive in this. And these are the few of the highlights of our journey. First of all, we are a listed company, so we got listed in 2008. We have multiple manufacturing facilities, but our main facility is in Germany. We also have offices across the globe. And moreover, we believe in the partnerships. So we have partners. We have various partners, including Audi, Danfoss, to name of few of the well-known partners, and we strongly believe in partnership, and that is what we are doing with our distribution or service partner like SolarHive as well, and we always look forward to the partnering with the end customers too. So we are here in this field because of our four main unique or you can say USPs. So first is we are one of the digital pioneers. So digital pioneers is like where we are actually having everything together on palm top of yours. So we have a Sunny portal to monitor the whole thing. Then we are also one of the innovative leaders because we have more than 1700 patents with us. So we have developed each and every technology by ourselves. We also provide the whole integrated solutions. So end to end, we provide from the hardware to software development. And when it comes to the customer, we also believe in consulting and providing the end-to-end solution to the customer. And lastly, the reliability. Because of all these points, we are one of the reliable solar inverter manufacturer, and we have our own test centers, own R&D team, and strong support development center as well in Germany. Moving forward, we also have our own test labs, and we conduct extensive tests of each and every inverter, be it the smallest inverter to the largest inverter, and that is the reason our inverters are standing strong in Middle East, where the temperature is very high, and in the North Pole, where it's a minus degree Celsius. So this whole slide talks about our reliability and how our inverters are standing strong in the harshest conditions. Now about us, so we are one of the oldest companies, and we have more than 145 gigawatt installed base, and other than that, we also have more than 11 gigawatt in the battery and hybrid side. We have more than 1,700 patents, and last year our revenue was, our sales was 1.9 billion euros. So this is moreover about SMA in a nutshell. And last year we sold around 20.5 gigawatt all across the globe, and we are present in the whole world. Just to add a few points from the previous slides, we also have offices in more than 20 countries. And our service teams and service partners are there in most of the countries. So we are serving around 190 to 200 countries across the globe. Also, we have a very strong relationships with the local authorities, local utilities, because they always consult us for any kind of grid changes. So we have a very strong kind of relationship with them. And more than 70 to 80% which we manufacture in Germany is exported all across globe, and more than 4,300 employees we have. So we have a very strong presence in Southeast Asia region, and SolarHive is one of our key distribution and service partner now. Keep going. Yeah. Moving forward, this is just to showcase how sustainable we are. So we strongly believe in sustainability, and we are one of the sustainable companies of Germany, and we are adhering to the UN's SDGs goals as well. Okay, keep going. This is just a slide showing how we adhere to the cyber security, and we always make sure that data sovereignty laws are adhered. So basically, it means that whatever data is generated is completely stored in a secure data centers. So we never negotiate on the data security, and we store the data in German data centers which we have. So we basically believe in designing for the whole life, and moreover we are very much futuristic. So this is overall our this old diagram actually showcases this. So basically we have our our core business is the components, but we also provide a strong service support, and on top of that we have our own developed softwares to support the customer. So this is why we are very much unique, and we are standing in this very niche industry for more than 40 years now. Now this is the whole. Where is this pointer? The pointer? Yeah. Okay. This one. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the whole portfolio of SMA, and we have the smallest inverter, which is 1.5 kilowatt, and the largest inverter is 4.6 megawatt. So we have bifurcated the whole portfolio in 3 segments. One is the home, then C&I, and then utility scale. In these segments also we have some on-grid inverters, some hybrid inverters, and some completely off-grid inverters. So focusing on home and C&I, we have various range of inverters, and out of this we'll be more focusing on our product STPX, which is a very ideal for home as well as C&I. And we also have our hybrid product called STPSC, which is here on display, which is very ideal for the home segment. So this is the whole portfolio. So moving forward, let's look at STPX on more focused way. I won't deep dive in much, but feel free to ask us further questions. So STPX is our, a product which actually sits between the large scale as well as home. And this is a very unique product which we have come up with. We have a really good demand in especially our South Asia region. So we have the 4 variants in STPX, 12, 15, 20 and 25. And it has like 3 MPPTs and 2 strings per MPPT is the bifurcation. And this gives the whole inverter of flexibility, and hence the designers can design their systems according to STPX. And maximum input voltage is 1000 volt. Moving forward, these are some of the key highlights, but I won't be touching down on each and everything because the data sheets are there, easily available, and we can further discuss depending on the project. But these are some of the highlights, like nominal voltage is 400 volt for our inverters on AC side, and AC voltage range varies from 304 volt to 477 volt. Maximum efficiency is as per standard 98.2%. Then from a protection point of view, we have a arc fix which actually has supports in the arc fault circuit, as a arc fault circuit interrupter, and maximum output over current is 50 amperes. We also have a DC voltage over voltage protection and surge arrestor type 1+2 or type 2 are there. So this also secures your whole system. And main thing is STPX is also IP65 rated, so it can stand in the harshest conditions. So, and I forgot to mention about warranties. So warranty also, it comes with the standard 5 years warranty, but it can be extended up to 15. So total 20 years protection we also get in this product. Moving forward, on the communication side, data protocols are as per SMA Modbus or SMA speed wire. And the unique feature of this product is also that you can connect up maximum 5 inverters or up to 135 kilowatt. So when you connect this along with the energy meter, you don't need a data manager. So and it has a built-in web server and local VLAN is accessible. So these are some unique features when it comes to the communication part. So this is what I was referring to. So basically, you can see up to 5 inverters and 1 energy meter can be connected. And then in that case, you don't need a data manager M or Sunny Home Manager. So it works together. And this is giving an added advantage to a system. But make sure that the inverters which you are connecting should be on a SMA speed wire protocol.
Okay, keep going.
So in a glance, if you have to say, then the system integration has been kind of introduced in here because you don't need a data manager M and all. It has that's why it is also intelligent, because arc fix, shed fix is there, so you don't have to worry about those things. And it is a smart connected. So on our portal you can see the whole the status of the inverter along with the warranties. And the flexibility wise, it has 3 MPPT trackers, so which also strengthens the whole inverter and makes it best suitable for the home as well as C&I, depending on the requirement of the project. Moving forward, now I think so. This was brief kind of introduction of STPX. Now I'm moving to our hybrid inverter, which is STP-SE. So just to introduce STP-SE, it has has a storing energy capacity. So it is a hybrid storage inverter, but make sure that it is not a completely off-grid inverter. For off-grid inverters, we have Sunny Island, but this is a hybrid storage inverter. So you need a grid point for this particular inverter. It has a highest flexibility, so you can basically use the storage inverter along with some overload of the on the DC side. And it is very easy to install because it is the latest inverter, so it has a lot of benefits of our 360-degree app, which we have launched. Yeah. So this is the overview of the STP-SC. So STP-SC also comes in 4 variants: 5 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt, 8 kilowatt, and 10 kilowatt. And this is typically very suitable to the home segment, I would say, because it can work as a if there is a grid problem, then as per your design it can work till your batteries get exhaust. So these are the hybrid inverters, not again off-grid inverter. Moving forward, then these are some of the kind of a brief again. It has a 2 MPPT tracker. And as I was mentioning, you can overload this up to 150% on a DC side. And energy of PV inverters installed in parallel for combination of AC as well as DC. So that is again gives you a flexibility to design your system. And highlighting about the approved batteries, because these SMA inverters have specific batteries which can work along with them. For our region, BYD batteries are on the approved list. So you can definitely approach Solar Hive for, as a complete package we can offer you. Yeah. This is one of the advantage of this inverter, because it has a fast charging current, and that helps your batteries to charge faster as compared to other competitors or other inverters in this segment. So this has come up with this particular inverter, and that is the reason you can actually have a well-planned system as a hybrid system for your residential or your customers, so that you don't face any complete blackouts, or you can at least take care of your critical loads before everything getting completely dark. And lastly, this is just again kind of a repetitive slide, because it has we covered about 360-degree app. So everything is on your desktop. You can monitor everything with this app. Again, this is a home segment inverter, so it comes with a 10 years warranty. You just have to register yourself on our portal, and then you'll get a 5 years extra warranty. So it comes with a 10 years warranty. And because of this unique feature, this is very well in demand in the residential side of our Southeast Asia region. So we are really hoping that this inverter, you give a chance to this inverter, and we get more installations in Vietnam. I think this is about these 2 products, and now I'll just touch base on the service side, the generic service side, and then maybe Robinson will add more points from very specific to Vietnam. So service we provide, we have a 24/7 service support. We strongly believe that since we provide you the products, then our service should be very strong. So we have dedicated service partners. We also have extended warranties for each and every inverter. So be it 10 years old inverter, but still there are cases in Thailand and India, which are the oldest market in our region, where we are still providing the service to that particular inverter, though we have stopped the manufacturing of that inverter. So, and these all inverters are smartly connected. That's why you can review everything on the portal, and you can raise the ticket on via this OSC, which is online service center. And online service center is very easy for you as a customer to track everything, because you'll be getting a particular ticket number, and with that help you can speak to our service partner and our service team to get it fast tracked. So it has various features, various advantages, and you can also track your warranties of your inverters, so you can understand when your warranties are getting over, or if you need any kind of advice, you can also give that reference and speak to our service teams and our service partner. And this is another point which we have recently launched. It is a chatbot, service chatbot. So there won't be any delay. And since our service team across the globe is spread across, so there will be someone to support you. It is not only chatbot, but chatbot is like a first point of contact, and then you will be assigned a dedicated service person from our SMA team. And this is a whole service network, and it is my immense pleasure to kind of announce that SolarHive has become our service partner for Southeast Asia region and Vietnam. Also, you can reach out to James and Robinson for any kind of service support, since they know our products very well. They sell our products for a long time, so they can provide you the very prompt support. And always, all our service, stock or spare parts, SolarHive has in Vietnam. So there won't be any delay, and you can completely rely on Robinson. So Robinson can take over. No, this is just a closure slide where we are just saying that we are taking care of the cybersecurity. We are the sustainable and more technological advanced. And again, the last and most important thing is reliable, and that is why who we are, and that is why we would like to work with customers like you to provide you the energy solution. That's it. Thank you.